West Coast Ravens. Flying in close formation requires exceptional piloting skills, extreme focus, and a dedication to improvement that builds the trust required to perform this show today. Each of the pilots in the Ravens organization has undertaken and continues to undertake extensive training in order to fly as precisely as they do. It is the job of the leader of the formation to choose the right altitude, attitude, and airspeed to move these aircraft through each of their maneuvers safely. It is the job of each